Hello Professor, my name is Zhichaosun and this video is to illustrate question 2 of homework 2. For the first question, it asks us to find the probability of x2 equals to 1. From the formula of total probability, we could use this formula to solve this question. So the probability of x2 equals to 1 equals the conditional probability of x2 equals to 1, then x1 equals to 0, multiple the probability of x1 equals to 0, add the conditional probability of x2 equals to 1, then x1 equals to 1, multiple the probability of x1 equals to 1. Then we solve it. The answer is 0.684. Then for the second question, we use the same method to solve it, but we need to calculate the probability of x2 equals 0. So we calculate this first. We use the same method and the result is 0.36. And then we use the same method to calculate the probability that x3 equals to 1. It's also the formula of total probability. Then the answer is 0.592. For the question C, it asks us to find the conditional probability x1 equals to 1, then x3 equals to 1. So first, we use the base formula to change this formula. Then it could be transformed as this one. So we know the result of this and this in the question A and B. So we just need to solve the conditional probability that x3 equals to 1, then x1 equals to 0. So we use x2 as a interstep, and then we could calculate the answer that is equal to 0.52, and then we use this value into this formula and we solve this question that the result is 0.176. Then for question D, find the limitation of the probability xn equals to 0 to when n it's bigger enough. So we use this fast method. As we all know that when n is large enough, we could get this formula. The probability of xn equals to 0 equals the probability of xn at 1 equals to 0. Because n is because the limitation of n is so big. Then we let the value equals to a, so the probability xn equals to 1 is p is the bar of the probability xn equals to 0, so the value is 1 minus a. So we use this multiplication of matrix to solve this value, and we solve that the value of a equals to 3 divided 7. So we get this answer.